Hello. To ensure a safe delivery or pickup within the secured area, we'll walk you through the basic safety rules in a short video message. Please make sure to strictly follow all occupational safety rules while performing your duties. Follow all security regulations within the restricted area, including entry/exit procedures, parking rules, speed limits, restrictions on phone use, smoking, theft, and any form of violence. Before entering the premises, you must watch the safety instruction video and familiarize yourself with the on-site safety rules. Upon arrival, you will be required to sign a declaration at the security office confirming that you understand the safety instructions and agree to comply with them. Always follow the specific safety guidelines for loading and unloading. Instructions are posted at every unloading zone. In case of an emergency, call the internal fire department at +386 420 77112 and immediately evacuate to the designated assembly point. Before entering the restricted area, a mandatory security check is required. Please note the following. If randomly selected by security personnel, you are required to cooperate during the inspection process. The premises are under video surveillance at all times. Multiple companies operate on-site. Your access is strictly limited to the Contitech Slovenija, DOO area. Wearing a high-visibility vest and safety shoes with toe caps is mandatory at all times while on-site. Park your truck only in designated loading/unloading areas. Smoking is only allowed in marked smoking zones. Smoking inside the truck is not permitted. Photography is strictly prohibited. The use of mobile phones while walking or driving is not allowed. The possession and consumption of alcoholic beverages is forbidden. Always use marked routes and pedestrian crossings. Please strictly follow these safety instructions. Follow the posted guidelines located at all loading and unloading areas. Do not park on designated staging areas or emergency access routes. If unavoidable, remain inside the vehicle cab. Engage the handbrake on both the truck and the trailer. Switch off the vehicle engine. Place wheel chocks under the fixed axle wheels of the truck. Wear personal protective equipment at all times, high-visibility vest, safety footwear, etc. The truck must be supervised at all times. During loading and unloading, the driver must remain within the designated green safety zone. When entering the production area, please strictly follow the safety rules below. Wearing a high-visibility vest, safety shoes, and, where required, additional personal protective equipment, e.g., safety glasses, is mandatory. Photography, smoking, and the use of headphones or music devices are strictly prohibited. The use of mobile phones while walking is not allowed. If you receive a call, stay on the pedestrian path, finish the conversation, and only then continue moving. Direct access to machines or equipment is prohibited unless previously scheduled, and all measures from the written agreement, risk assessment, or safety work plan are fully observed. Be especially alert while moving through the production area. If you hear a horn or see a moving blue light on the floor, it means a forklift is nearby. In such cases, immediately move to a designated pedestrian path. Use the semicircular mirrors mounted at less visible ceiling areas to get a better view of your surroundings. Thank you for following the safety rules. Stay safe and have a successful day at work.